In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create an RDP source just so you can allow remote desktop connections between a Windows PC and the Userful video wall. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to go to New Source. Let's just call this RDP. Then you need to select the RDP source. So you'll notice it will say RDP client. Choose that. Choose your server. In this case, it should be 192.168.130.72. You want to choose the port, the username, and then the password. From there, you're going to want to click OK and be done. In this instance, our username is Userful, and the password is also just Userful. We disabled network level authentication, so we can remove this line from the parameters, and then we should be all set to go. Hit OK, drag the video wall into this, hit apply, and then you are now displaying the content at the video wall. That concludes today's tutorial. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.